Hello, my wonderful foodies, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something incredibly special for you. We're remaking a treat that's not only bursting with flavor, but is also packed with pure, natural goodness. Get ready for the most delicious and healthy dry fruit ladoos you've ever tasted. These little energy bombs are completely sugar-free, gluten-free, and so easy to make. They are the perfect guilt-free snack for that 4 p.m. slump. A great pre-workout energy boost, or even a healthy dessert for your kids. So, if you're ready to make something amazing, stick around. First things first, let's talk about our star ingredients. The beauty of these ladoos is their simplicity and the quality of the ingredients we use. We're going to need about 1 cup of high-quality, soft dates. I prefer medjool dates because they are naturally sweet and have a wonderful caramel-like texture. Make sure you deseed them. Next, we'll need a mix of your favorite nuts and seeds. I'm using half a cup of almonds, half a cup of walnuts, and a 1/4 cup of pistachios. For that extra nutritional punch, I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. And for a touch of warmth and flavor, we'll use a teaspoon of cardamom powder and a pinch of nutmeg. That's it. No sugar, no jaggery, no condensed milk. Just pure, wholesome ingredients. All right, let's get started. The first step is to gently dry roast our nuts. Take a heavy-bottomed pan and place it on low to medium heat. Add your almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. We're not trying to brown them deeply. We just want to awaken their natural oils and make them extra crunchy and flavorful. Keep stirring them continuously for about 3 to 4 minutes. You'll start to smell that beautiful, nutty aroma. That's your cue that they're ready. Roasting also helps in removing any moisture, which will increase the shelf life of our ladoos. Once they're lightly toasted, transfer them to a plate and let them cool down completely. This is an important step, so don't rush it. While our nuts are cooling, let's prepare our binding agent, the dates. Since we're not using any sugar or syrup, these dates will provide both the sweetness and the sticky texture needed to hold everything together. If your dates are a bit hard, you can soak them in warm water for about 10 minutes and then drain them thoroughly. Mine are quite soft, so I'm just going to pop them directly into my food processor. Pulse them a few times until they form a thick, sticky paste. You might need to scrape down the sides of the processor a couple of times to make sure everything is evenly blended. The goal is a smooth, dough-like consistency. Now that our nuts have cooled down, it's time to process them. You can use the same food processor. No need to wash it. Add the roasted almonds, walnuts, and pistachios. We want to pulse them, not grind them into a fine powder. We're looking for a coarse, crumbly texture. Having small bits of nuts will give our ladoos a wonderful crunch and a much more interesting mouthfeel. So, just a few quick pulses should do the trick. Be careful not to overprocess, or you might end up with nut butter, which, while delicious, is not what we're aiming for today. It's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, add the date paste. To this, add the coarse nut mixture we just prepared. Now, let's add our super seeds, the chia seeds, and flax seeds. These are fantastic sources of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Sprinkle in the cardamom powder for that lovely fragrance and warmth, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg for a bit of complexity. You can also add a tablespoon of desiccated coconut at this stage if you like, for another layer of flavor and texture. Now, using your hands, make sure they're clean. Start mixing everything together. Really get in there and knead the mixture as if you're making dough. The warmth from your hands will help the dates become more pliable and bind all the ingredients into a single, cohesive mass. Once everything is well combined and you have a firm, slightly sticky mixture, it's time for the fun part, shaping the ladoos. To prevent the mixture from sticking to your hands, you can lightly grease your palms with a little bit of ghee or coconut oil. This also adds a beautiful sheen to the ladoos. Now, take a small portion of the mixture, about a tablespoon's worth, and roll it between your palms to form a smooth, round ball. The size is totally up to you. I like to make them bite-sized so they're easy to pop into your mouth whenever you need a quick energy hit. Continue this process with the rest of the mixture until you've used it all up. And look at that! Our beautiful, healthy, and absolutely irresistible dry fruit ladoos are ready. Don't they look amazing? Each one is a little powerhouse of nutrients, fiber, and healthy fats. You can enjoy them right away, but I find they taste even better after they've had some time to set. You can store these ladoos in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. They are perfect for packing in your lunchbox, giving to your kids as an after-school snack, or even serving to guests as a healthy and elegant sweet treat. They are so satisfying and will keep you full and energized for hours. Let's just take a moment to appreciate what we've made. These ladoos are a testament to the fact that healthy food can be incredibly delicious. There are no hidden ingredients, no processed sugars, just the pure goodness of nature. You can customize this recipe in so many ways. Feel free to add other nuts like cashews or pecans. You could also mix in some dried apricots or figs for a different flavor profile. A little bit of poppy seeds rolled on the outside gives them a traditional look and a nice crunch. The possibilities are endless, so feel free to experiment and make this recipe your own. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's so simple and rewarding. Making healthy choices for yourself and your family doesn't have to be complicated or boring. It can be as fun and delicious as making these little balls of joy. If you do make them, please let me know how they turned out in the comments below. I love hearing from you and seeing your creations. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. It's always a pleasure to share these recipes with you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more healthy and delicious recipes, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep cooking.